All right, we are on the third page of our packet, and in this, on this page, we are going to draw basically 4 buildings, and we're going to start out with boxes, and we'll go step by step, just like we've been doing. All right, first step tells us we are going to draw a horizon line that goes through the center. All right, we're going to have a vanishing point on the left side and the right side. And we're going to start with our first box below the horizon line. So we'll start with a vertical line to make this box. This is the corner of the box. All right. From the corner, we are going to go to the left-hand vanishing point and the right-hand vanishing point. I am making my lines a little bit darker than you need to because I want you to make sure you can see it on the video here. So this is the first step. We've got horizon line, vertical to the vanishing point. Next step is you are going to make the left side of this building by drawing a vertical line. We're going to make a vertical line over here then to make the right side of the building. And then we need to complete it by doing the top. Well, the top goes from the left vertical to the right-hand vanishing point, and the right vertical to the left-hand vanishing point. You notice each time I put my pencil down before I actually draw the line. And because I had the top completed, I didn't draw the line all the way. You can if you want to, but you do not have to. So this is a good stopping point, and when you get done with this, you can resume the video. The next step is to draw 2 buildings off to the side of this first one. And the building on the right is actually the same height. It's adjacent, so the bottoms line up, and they're the same height. So they're going to just basically line up with vertical lines. So I'll just take my ruler over to the right, draw a vertical, and this is basically the right side of this building. To get the top of it, I'm then going to go from this right vertical to the left vanishing point. And again, I can stop it once I complete the top of the box. So this is building A. This was my first one. This is building B, my second one. The second one, again, is the same height, and it is connected or adjacent to it. Building C, on the other hand, if you look closely at your packet, is a little bit taller. So we're going to, and it's adjacent or it's touching also. So we're going to go ahead from this line on building A, and we're going to extend it up just a little bit to make it taller. Once you have that vertical, you are going to go to the left-hand vanishing point to get the left side, well, the starting of the left side. Remember, it's taller, and we need to complete it with a vertical line to make the left side. So there's my left side of building C. I need to make a right side over here, so I've got to make a vertical somewhere over here. It's kind of up to you where you want it to be. And then I have to finish it with a line to the right-hand vanishing point. All right, so there's the right side of building C. We don't have the top done yet, though. So again, we have to go from vertical to opposite vanishing points to complete that top. Vertical, opposite vanishing point to complete the top. Okay, and so far I just have a few extra lines that we could erase here and there. I call these construction lines. But there's building C. Building D is the tallest of all the buildings. It's so tall it actually goes above the horizon line. Building D is going to be extended up, and it's going to go to the vanishing point, left and right. We don't want it to be all this length though, so we're going to have to cut it off with a vertical on the left and a vertical on the right. All right, and that is building D, okay, the tall one. You can also see that there are windows and doors on this, and all of these windows and doors are the same thing. They're vertical and to the vanishing point. So we would draw the vertical lines. This one's a little short. We go to the vanishing point. Any of these lines that we draw are going to be vertical and to the vanishing point. Looks like they're cut down a little bit so that we have 2 sets of, or 2 windows, sets of 2 windows. Maybe that's the correct way to say it. All right, and I could probably put one more in. Looks like there's 2 windows here and a door here. So the door is going to be coming from the floor, the street, the sidewalk. And again, the lines are vertical and to the vanishing point. The windows over here are vertical to the vanishing point. We're on the right side, so we're on the right vanishing point. Oops, my ruler moved. And vertical for this side. I'm going to cut it in half to make 2 windows. And there you go. We have completed this portion of our packet.